Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, ipod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So I got an unboxing. Just let me let you guys know this was given to me to do a review for. Nothing that I do will affect my review at any time. So that being said, let's get to the unboxing for this. Now, I am wearing gloves. Simple fact is, y'all know what the situation is going on. Coronavirus is out, and any packages that I get from now on, I will be using gloves and a face mask to do all unboxings, just to keep myself protected. I will be having lights on, like I see in my last unboxings, like my last 10 unboxings. Y'all see me wear a mask and stuff like that, and basically have my mouth covering me spraying and stuff like that. But let's just get to the unboxing now. I might go a little bit quiet because I do got to put the face mask on right now. So let's put it on. Okay. So you already know. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Might have to move it to the side because it might have some personal information. Any personal information? No personal information. So this is it right here. Just want to spray this down real quick. Anything that I touch or get will be sprayed down. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had a phone call. So let's get back to the unboxing. Oh, didn't mean to rip the box like that. But it's harder to do this stuff with gloves on. So these are basically what you get right here. Nice little baglet. Instructions. And I'm going to spray this down real quick. It's disinfected, so it's not going to damage it with anything whatsoever. So I went for the teal and the white instead of the black. So you get a nice little bag to carry it with. Good. You get the extenders, earbuds and stuff like that. 3.5mm headphone jack with the volume control. I'm going to test this out on my PlayStation, see how it sounds. Here's the earbuds. Right here. Here's the mic. So I heard that the mic is actually pretty good. I'm going to test this out in a few. Let's see how the sound quality is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually stop the recording. And I want to put these headphones on and see exactly how it sounds, and give you basically how it sounds with the mic. So I can actually take my mask off now because I already sprayed it down. Spray it down one more time. I just do that because the coronavirus is going on right there, so I'm just spraying everything down. I can take these gloves off now. Okay, no longer need the gloves. So I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to come back. I'm going to edit this video up. I'm going to actually do another recording right now so y'all can actually hear it. So like in 3, 2, 1, y'all going to actually hear the sound. So when I snap my finger, y'all going to actually hear the microphone, and y'all going to notice it's no longer going to be on the table, right? In 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I am back. So this is the headphones which you're hearing right now. So I'm just going to tap on the microphone so you can actually hear it. It's the mic. So we're going to rub on the mic right now. That's basically me tapping on it. So I like the way how the volume control is. I really can't see. So now just turn the volume all the way up on the actual headsets. So yeah guys, this is how it sounds with the microphone on like that. So just to give you guys a little preview of how it sounds with it on and off. Like if I move it off my ear, now I got it like basically away from my ear, and I'm no longer talking. Here's the microphone right there. So if I tap on it, you should be able to hear it. But now I'm putting it back towards my mouth, and it's in my ear now. So you should be able to hear pretty much of how this sound, guys. But this is how everything is. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Peace, deuces one, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. Holla, and I'm out.